start reading. My toy dino. Dino is a big dinosaur. He has large feet. He's got a long tail too. I always carry Dino wherever I go. Oh, I can't let Dino go. Dino is my favorite toy to hold. I hold Dino every time I sleep at night. I hold Dino close to me when I'm not alright. I hold it near me when I'm scared or sad. I hold my favorite toy even when I'm glad. What is the name of your toy? Write down in the comment section. Thanks for watching.